Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have editor access. Open the file and focus on the frame you want to share. First, switch to prototype mode and confirm start frame and interactions are correct. Once done, click the Share button in the top right. Do not skip permissions. This is what controls who can view or edit. Make sure to set the right link type, because that determines whether viewers see live updates, comments, or only a static view. Now configure the link and permissions carefully. Choose Can View versus Can Edit based on feedback needs, and pick whether the link should include prototyping playback only. Once chosen, decide if you want to invite specific people by email or allow anyone with the link. If you need controlled access, enable password protection or restrict by team. After configuring, copy the link and test it in an incognito window to confirm viewers will see exactly what you intend. Paste the prototype link into your chosen channel and tell recipients what to test. Once shared, test the link yourself on another account. Confirm interactions, overlays, device frames, and hotspots behave as intended. If someone reports problems, first verify file-level permissions and team membership. If issues persist, switch the link to anyone with link temporarily to isolate access problems, then revert settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.